What if you could build an IT service ticket form with ChatGPT? Well, let me show you how with Jotform. Hi Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you want to build an IT service ticket form, you can absolutely do that within ChatGPT. So as of right now, you can see I'm currently in my ChatGPT workspace, and I already have my Jotform account connected through the apps right over here. So I'm already on a new chat screen, so all I have to do is either choose the plus sign, come down here and choose Jotform, or I can just do @ and type Jotform. So let's do please make me an IT service ticket form. And let's just leave it at that. And let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. All right. Now, one really nice thing is you can see it's currently building out that form within the chat. So you can see everything that is there, everything that's going to be required, all the questions that it's going to ask. But of course, we can also click here and it will open up over into our Jotform account so we can see it, everything perfectly. Good deal. We have the ticket details, the asset system information, troubleshooting. We even have a file upload option. So lots of really awesome questions. And all we asked it to do was just build an IT service form for us. So we have the scheduling, which is perfect. All right. Now, one thing that we can do, and there's a lot of different things that we can do from here, is let's say we can add in fields or we can delete fields. So let's just pick something. I'm going to go ahead and choose off the office location right here. Let's do please remove the office or the location office question. So we can add, we can remove. And honestly, on first iteration, it did a really awesome job of adding in all of those questions for us. So here we can either deny making that change or we can go ahead and edit the form. This is perfect. Let's go ahead and edit that form. All right. And one thing to keep in mind, it says it removed it, but I can still see it here. So just one thing to do, I'm just going to come over. I'm going to do a quick refresh and I can actually see it's already been removed from here. That work location office has been removed. So that's also a joy of AI. So just make sure whenever you're doing something like this, just go over, make sure, because it probably might have been done. The preview just might not be good. So we can say, please make the phone and extension field required. And you can do the same thing. You can unrequire all or require all or certain ones. So you can add, delete, make changes. Even if there is a drop down and maybe you don't like the options in the drop down, you can ask it to make the changes within the chat instead of going over into Jotform and making those options different yourself. Another thing that you can do is you can play with the form design. So as we know right now, it's just the normal standard Jotform. So it's that white and gray. So maybe, so here's that phone extension being required. All right, let's do, please make the form theme more colorful. So just instead of that gray and white, let's see what it does. All right, making it feel brighter, less monochrome. Perfect. All right, let's come over and give it a quick refresh. All right, now we have, it's more of a blue color and you can see the headlines or the sections are kind of broken out a little better. That's perfect. All right, let's go ahead. Please do a test submission for me. So that way we can make sure that everything within the form is working and it is good to go. Using realistic test data. Perfect. And we're also going to get a link to that submission right here. So we don't have to go to Jotform and change it over to our submissions to look at. It's going to be right here. All right, we have our test ticket. We can jump over into our inbox and take a look at what that ticket submission looks like. All right, perfect. We can come down here. Unable to access VPN. I've got the priority. Perfect. Lots of really great responses with test data. Perfect. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use Jotform and ChatGPT to build an IT service ticket form, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.